So I think that there are two things here. From a company perspective, we don't plan on this very high gold price that we're getting now. It's over 2,650 Australian dollars an ounce. It's way higher than our planned gold price, which we do our budgets and forecasts on. So for us, we've got to bank that extra dollars that we're getting for every ounce of gold that we're producing. I am optimistic about the gold price. Yeah, we've seen some profit taking over the last few weeks, but reality is that it is linked to where the US dollar is at. As soon as you see the US dollar start to weaken, you will see gold start to rise again. Encouragingly, you're starting to see a lot more interest in the gold sector, and I think interest is a good leading indicator to a rise in the gold price. I went on record last August saying that I thought the gold price would get to $2,000 in 2023, and I'm confirming that today.
And we talked a lot last year about the Bitcoin price, and look where that's gone, because obviously a lot of people have swung back into gold, even if it's just on a physical ETF basis. I've got to ask you though, because we have seen, and I know it sort of touches on what we were talking about a little bit before, but we've seen an absolute rush of consolidation when it does come to the gold industry. You've got people getting scooped up, you've got mergers of equals across the board. So and I suppose I kind of asked this a little bit earlier, but when you look at the environment, especially in Australia right now, do you not in any way feel that if you don't get bigger, there could be a Barrick that comes and has a play at your own company, or there could be a new one if they're not successful with Newcrest? Does that drive you to make Evolution even bigger than what it is right now?
No, it doesn't. I think deals have to be done that are accretive to shareholders, that improve the quality of our portfolio. That has always been the mantra at Evolution. I don't think size necessarily matters that much. I always like to point out that I think the focus from investors shouldn't be on the number of ounces companies produce, but the amount of cash they're generating for every ounce they produce. And their Evolution is sector leading. So I think this interest in the gold sector and Newmont's takeover bid for Newcrest will lead to more interest in the sector, and that's good for all gold companies.